Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices and determinants previous year questions KSET. Today I would like to explain question number 1 from 2020 paper. If A and B are square matrices of same order and B is a skew symmetric matrix, then A dash BA. So what are options are given? Symmetric, null matrix, diagonal matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Now let us take A dash BA is equal to P. So P is equal to A dash BA. So taking transpose on both sides, P dash is equal to A dash BA whole dash. We have ABC whole dash is equal to C dash into B dash into A dash. So according to this formula, we should write A dash into B dash into A dash whole dash. This will be A dash into B dash into A dash whole dash. By transformation property, A dash whole dash is equal to A. So this will be equal to A. This is P dash. But from statement what is given? B is a skew symmetric matrix is given. So B dash is skew symmetric matrix means B dash is equal to minus B. So now this is going to be P dash is equal to A dash into where B dash place we should write minus B. So this is nothing but minus A dash BA. This is equal to minus P. So A dash BA value, right, minus P. Therefore, so minus A dash BA is minus P. Therefore, P dash is equal to minus P. Therefore, P is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. If A is the square matrix of order 3 and that of A is equal to 5, then we have to find that of A into adjoint A. We know that A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A is equal to that A into I. From statement that A value given 5 into I. So that A value 5 given. So in the statement, what is required? Dat of A into adjoint A. So what is required? Dat of A into adjoint A. This will be A into adjoint A. We got it 5i. 5i. We know that dat of Ka. Dat of Ka is equal to K to the power n into dat A. Where n is order of A. Where n is order of the matrix A. So this is equal to 5 to the power n into dat I. In the statement, n is equal to order is equal to 3 given. Therefore 5 cube into, so dat of unit matrix. Dat of unit matrix value 1. So this is 125. So dat of I is equal to dat of 1001. This will be, formula is AD minus BC. So dat of unit matrix equal to 1. So which option is correct? 125. Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. F of x is equal to dat of 3 by 3 given. So options are f of 0, f of 2, f of 1, f of minus 1 values are given. This kind of problems by using verification method. So by verification method, now we should take option 1. So what is option 1? F of 0 is equal to 0 given. So put x place in 0. Put x is equal to 0 in f of x. This will be f of 0 equal to that of x place in 0, substitute 0 minus 0 0, a plus 0 a, b, next element minus a, 0, c, minus b, minus c, 0. So dat of this 3, this is dat of skew symmetric matrix. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Dat of skew symmetric matrix will be 0. So direct process also this is 0, that value. So that is equal 0. So therefore option 1 is verified. Option 1 is verified. Let us go to the next problem. If A matrix is given, then find out A to the power 4. So A to the power 4, this can be written as A square into A square. First, we have to find A square. A square is equal to A into A. So matrix A given 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This value will be first row multiply with the first column 1 and first row multiply with the second column 0. So this is the unit matrix. So A square is equal to I. A square is equal to unit matrix. Now our target is A to the power 4. So required A to the power 4 is equal to A square into A square. This will be I into I. I into I is equal to I square. So I square value is equal to unit matrix I. Which option is correct? Option 3 correct. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 6 from 2020 paper. One relation is given, then find out matrix A. So this type of problems by using verification method. So what is given? 3 1 2 1 3 2 into A is equal to 1 0 0 1. So let us take first option. Let us take option 1. So option 1 is A. A is equal to 2 1 3 2. Now we should multiply. Already 2 1 3 2 is there. A place and write this matrix. Since 2 1 3 2 into 2 1 3 2. So 2 1 3 2 into 2 1 3 2, this is not equal to unit matrix. So option 1 is wrong. So option 1 wrong. Now let us verify second option. So option 2, what is option 2 given? A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. So in this condition, we substitute A place in this matrix 2 1 3 2 into, where A place and write this matrix 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. So this value will be first row multiply with first column 4 minus 3 1. First row multiply with the second column minus 2 plus 2 0. 6 minus 6 0. Minus 3 plus 4 1. This is nothing but unit matrix. So if A is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 3 2, this option 2 verified. We got unit matrix. So therefore option 2 verified. So option 2 correct answer. So let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. The inverse of the matrix. What is required? The inverse of the matrix. This kind of problems, so by using verification method. So what is the inverse property? We have AB is equal to I. Then A is called inverse of B. Or B is called inverse of A. So given matrix, let us A. So A is equal to, what is matrix given? 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3. So let us take first option. First option let us take B. Option 1. Let us take B is equal to 3 minus 15 5 minus 1 6 minus 2 1 minus 5 2. Now we have to find first AB. So AB is equal to, so what is A? 2 5 0 0 1 1 minus 1 0 3 into, so B matrix, write this as it is, 3 minus 15 5 minus 1 0 minus 2 1 minus 5 2. This is 6. First we have to multiply these two matrices. First row multiply with first column 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 5 plus 0 1, and first row multiply with the second column minus 30 plus 30 plus 0. Okay, this is the unit matrix. We got unit matrix AB is equal to I. If AB is equal to I, then one is inverse of other. So therefore the inverse of the given matrix is option 1 correct. Let us go to the next problem. If P and Q are symmetric matrices are same order and PQ minus QP. So what are options are given? Zero matrix, identity matrix, skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. So our target is PQ minus QP. So let us take X is equal to PQ minus QP. Now taking transpose on both sides, X transpose is equal to PQ minus QP whole transpose. Therefore X transpose is equal to, so by using A minus B whole transpose, so A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. PQ minus QP whole transpose is equal to PQ transpose minus QP transpose. This will be PQ transpose, this is going to be, we have formula AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So this value going to be Q transpose into P transpose. So this value P transpose into Q transpose. So Q transpose, from statement P and Q are symmetric matrices are given. Therefore P transpose is equal to P given, Q transpose is equal to Q given. Now Q transpose value Q, P transpose is P, P transpose P and Q transpose is Q. So let us take minus 1 take out common. So minus of PQ minus QP. Minus of PQ minus QP, this value will be, so this is X transpose. So minus of PQ minus QP. PQ minus QP is nothing but X. This is equal to minus X. So X transpose is equal to minus X, we got it. Therefore X is skew symmetric matrix. X is skew symmetric matrix. Which option is correct? Option 3 correct. So let us go to the next problem. Question number 3 from question 2019. Two conditions are given. Then we have to find B. In first condition 3A plus 4B transpose given. In second condition 2B minus 3A transpose given. So in first equation B transpose is given. In second equation A transpose is given. So let us take first equation, or either first or second, taking transpose on both sides. So let us first equation transpose on both sides. 3A whole transpose is equal plus 4B transpose whole transpose is equal to 7 minus 10 17 0 6 31 whole transpose. So we have K into A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. According to this property, 3 into A dash plus 4 into B dash whole dash. So B dash whole dash double transpose is equal to itself. B dash whole dash is equal to B. 4B is equal, this value will be 7 0, this transpose, minus 10 6 17 31. What is the second equation given? Write as it is. 2B minus 3A dash is equal to minus 1 18 4 0 minus 5 minus 7. So by using elimination method, let us do adding. 3A dash get cancelled. Our target is B matrix. So 4B plus 2B is 6B is equal to, on right side matrices, 7 minus 1 6, 0 plus 18 18, minus 10 minus 6, this is 6, this value will be 24, 17 minus 5 12, 31 minus 24. So now B is equal to, so divide 6 on both sides, our target is B. So 6 by 6, 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. So which option is correct? 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay, second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. AB two matrices are given, then find out data of AB B dash. So we have data of ABC. This is equal to det A into det B into det C. So according to that formula, we should write data of AB B dash. This value will be det A into det B into det B dash. Det A into det B into det B dash. So determinant of B dash both are equal. Det B is equal to determinant of B dash both are equal. So det A into det B into det B. This will be det A into det B whole square. So we have A is equal to 1342. So determinant of A is equal to 1342. This is formula AD minus BC, 2 minus 12. This will be minus 10. Next, what is the B matrix given? B is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Therefore, det B is equal to, formula is AD minus BC, 4 minus of minus 1, this will be 5. So, det A value minus 10, det B value 5, 5 square. This value will be minus 250. Minus 250, which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019. The value of the third order determinant is 16 given. So data of A is equal to 16 given. This order is equal to 3. Now we have to find the value of the det formed by replacing each of its elements by its cofactors. So data of cofactor matrix. Data of cofactor matrix is our target. So data of cofactor matrix whole transpose both are equal. Data of cofactor matrix whole transpose both are equal. This is the formula. Det A into det A is equal to det A transpose. So data of transpose of cofactor matrix is nothing but adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. This will be data of adjoint A value, det A power n minus 1. So det A value from statement, det A value given 16, n value 3. 16 to the power 3 minus 1, this will be 256. So which option is correct? First option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. The constant term in the expansion of data of 3 by 3. So options are given. So put x is equal to 0. This value will be x plus and 0, right? 1 minus 1 2, and second row minus 1 2 1 minus 2 1 1 1 minus 1. So let us do simplify. So this value after that simplification value, this value will be 6. So option 3 correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.